Oda, if you seeing this, I am costume like white bear. I am white bear. He is my favorite character in One Piece, Oda. If you seeing this, Oda, I just like him. I have his, I know his die in One Piece, but I cannot never forget him because he is my favorite character in One Piece. Oda, this is, I'm just a 7 years old person, and I have this, and I love white beer. Yeah, and I'm just like him. Oda, he's my favorite character in One Piece, Oda. I'm not lying, Oda. He is my favorite character in One Piece, Oda. Did you hear that, Oda? White bear is my favorite character, Oda. And my latest character in One Piece, Oda, is Blackbeard. He killed Whitebeard, Oda. Bye-bye, Oda. If you see this, Oda, please comment, please, Oda. This is the part 2. I made this, Oda. This is Oda. This is my favorite character.